And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Puppy here. As you see, there's my shear line mill. And see, I've got the bellows covers installed, the brand new table, and a tooling plate. And here you have who have know that I did this. Now it would work perfectly if it weren't for one little thing. 1032, right? Let's zoom you in here a bit. Okay, 1032 screws that go through here. They'll thread into any of these holes up here. There's just a problem. Running this direction, none of these holes and these holes neither will line up to bolt this baby down. Just won't do it. You would think, right, that these ones. Well, let's try this again, okay? Okay, that's started. You see where it swings? Almost there. Oh, come on, you. It's really, there we go, got it started. And you see, it almost. And when I say it's just a tiny bit, less than a 16th, maybe a 16th this way from connecting. Take these out. However, there's two cures for this. I pick a spot between two of these, drill and tap it, then I come and I transfer punch the corresponding spot between down here, drill and tap it. Then I'll be able to bang, bang. Now there is another possibility. I've still got this old mill table. And due to the nature of T-slots, All I have to do is have a couple of those shear line T-nuts down in this slot. And this can be bolted firmly to this table. Now, what about this over here? Now, what about this table we speak of? All I have to do is find the corresponding spots in these two T-slots. And I can bolt this directly to this fixture plate. Then this baby can go anywhere along here. It still leaves the center line of this spindle a bit above the vice jaws. But I can mount this column over here in the horizontal conversion position. And I even explored going this direction. Let's see if it will want to do it. Just misses by half a hole. So there's find a spot and drill and tap. Then I can go like so. If any of you haven't seen one of these, this whole column will Bridgeport around, as you see. I'm not going to pivot the head so that it's pointing at the table. Not important to me at the moment for that to do so. Anyway, I'm a thinking. Anyone out there has a comment between drilling extra holes in this fixture plate, or drilling some bolt holes down in these T-slots, put them on the comments. I'll find them, and we can talk. Good night from California. Stay safe.